Hi friends, how are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to our channel Namma Aduge, which means food from our kitchen. Today, in our kitchen, we are going to prepare a very special recipe, that is Palak Curry, Palak Gravy, Spinach Curry, Dal Palak or Spinach and Lentil Curry. You can name it in any way. So let us see what are the ingredients that we need. We will need palak or spinach 2 bunch, pigeon pea or tur dal 1.5 glass, oil 2 teaspoon, turmeric powder 3/4 teaspoon, tomatoes 2. I have chopped the tomatoes. Green chilies 3. I have taken tamarind and lemon size. Coriander powder 1.5 teaspoon. Jeera powder 1/2 teaspoon. Mustard seeds 1 teaspoon. Garlic cloves 7 to 8. Dry red chilies 2. Curry leaves few. Soppina or hing 1/2 teaspoon. Salt as per taste. First of all, I've cleaned the palak and I've added a little bit of salt and washed the palak for around 2 to 3 times with water. Adding salt while washing palak will kill most of the bacteria in it. After washing the palak leaves thoroughly, I'm chopping the palak leaves here. Now in a bowl, take some tamarind and add some water and let it soak for some time. After some time, squeeze the tamarind with the water in order to remove the pulp of it. Now let us wash the pigeon pea or tur dal in water. Now take the tur dal in a pressure cooker and add 1/2 teaspoon of oil. And turmeric powder. Now add required quantity of water in order to cook this tur dal. Let us go ahead and cook this tur dal in a pressure cooker. As you see, I have completely cooked this tur dal and it has turned out to be a fine paste. Now to this cooked tur dal, I am adding chopped palak, chopped tomatoes, pour some water, as you see, I am mixing this well and then I will pressure cook it for around 2 to 3 whistles. The palak and tomatoes are cooked well with the tur dal. Now I'll go ahead and use this hand grinder and grind this for around 7 to 8 seconds, or you can also use a mixer grinder and use the option called as pulse in order to grind this. Even in the mixer grinder, just pulse it for around 7 to 8 seconds. We do not want this gravy to be a fine paste. We need this gravy to be in a rough consistency. Now turn on the gas stove and keep a kadai. Let us go ahead and pour this gravy. Add the sliced green chilies, tamarind pulp that which we had prepared. If you would like to watch any of my previous videos, I would request you to click on the I button that is displayed on the top right corner or on the link that is available on the description box of this video. 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoons of jeera powder, and salt as per taste. Keep this in a low flame and cook it for around 5 minutes. As you see, the gravy is boiling and the color of the gravy has changed. Now let us go ahead and take this kadai off the stove and then keep a tempering pan. Once the pan is heated, add 1.5 teaspoons of oil. Add mustard seeds once the oil is heated. Add crushed garlic once the mustard seeds crackle. Fry it for a minute. Let us go ahead and add dry red chilies and also add some curry leaves. Before turning off the gas, let's add some asafoetida. And add this tempering to the gravy that we had prepared. Immediately, let's go ahead and cover this with a lid so that we do not lose the flavor of the tempering. As you see, our yummy, delicious and quick Dal Palak or Palak gravy or Palak curry is ready to be served. This is one of the recipe my mother-in-law taught me. That is the reason it has turned out to be a very special recipe. If you would like to see more simple, quick and tasty recipes from my kitchen, I request you to subscribe to our channel Namma Aduge and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care and see you all soon.